The PlayStation Portal, Sony's handheld remote play device, utilizes LCD technology that makes it susceptible to stuck pixels. These occur when one or more subpixels, the red, green, or blue components of a pixel, fail to switch states, remaining fixed on a single color. Each pixel on the LCD screen consists of three subpixels, red, green, and blue. When a subpixel gets stuck, it remains fixed on one color instead of changing as needed. It's important to distinguish stuck pixels from dead pixels. Dead pixels appear completely black, while stuck pixels remain fixed on a single color, typically red, green, or blue. Unlike dead pixels, stuck pixels are often repairable through various methods. Common causes of stuck pixels include manufacturing imperfections during assembly, physical stress such as drops or pressure on the screen, and prolonged use that can lead to aging of the display components. To diagnose stuck pixels, navigate to the PlayStation Portal's Settings menu, select Display, and then Pixel Test. This built-in tool will help identify any problematic pixels. Alternatively, you can use online pixel checkers that display various patterns to reveal stuck pixels. Symptoms of stuck pixels include small dots that remain a consistent color, often red, green, or blue. These are particularly visible during gameplay and become more noticeable in darker scenes where the contrast is higher. Several methods can be employed to address stuck pixels. Software-based approaches involve using the display's refresh rate of 60 Hz to cycle pixels, potentially dislodging the stuck subpixel. Pixel-fixing apps or videos that rapidly flash colors can be used. In some instances, gentle physical manipulation may be effective. Using a soft cloth, lightly tap the affected area of the screen while a color cycling video is running. Success rates vary, but these methods can resolve a significant portion of stuck pixel issues. If the issue persists or if under warranty, contacting Sony support for a replacement is recommended. Prevention strategies include avoiding screen pressure, using a screen protector, and ensuring adequate ventilation to prevent overheating, which can exacerbate pixel degradation.